Hi, I'm Dr. Sunil Richardson. We have with us this young lady today. So, in the year 2014, we had done jaw surgeries for her, orthodontic surgery involving both the upper and the lower jaw. She actually came to us now for a consult but also for a dental implant. So, I requested her for this video, and I want to thank her for having agreed for this small video, which I hope is going to be beneficial for our viewers and subscribers. All right, the first thing I want to ask her is, um, how is she feeling now? Do you feel anything abnormal with your face? ஏதாவது வித்தியாசமா தெரியுதா?
சர்ஜரிக்கு முன்னாடியும் இப்போ
சர்ஜரிக்கு பிறகு
வித்தியாசமானா பெட்டரா
இல்ல ஃபீலிங் ஏதாவது
இந்த
நத்திங்
மாதிரி ஒன்றும் இல்லை.
உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது so she has no difficulties, everything is the same, right? So I'm just trying to find out if she has any concerns at all. She has no issues, she has no numbness, she's able to speak well, she's able to eat well, everything. Right, now we're going to move on to the cosmetic aspect. இது பண்ண பிறகு எவ்வளோ வித்தியாசம் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சு?
நிறைய டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஃபேஸே சேஞ்ச் ஆயிடுச்சு.
ஓகே, அவங்கள்ட்ட சொல்ல முடியுமா? So she says that her face itself has been changed, there's been lot of difference. அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் நல்லா கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்களா?
கண்டிப்பா.
So she feels more confident about herself. So I'm going to show you her pictures from 2014. So she had this gummy smile, she had a retrognatic chin to a certain extent, and she also had difficulties with closing her lips. And so I'm going to show you the side view as well. You see this is a classical shape that she had, and now we fixed all of this. And so that was in the year 2014, 5th month, and you can see we've done some liph-1, genioplasties, lower subapical. So that's the plan that we've written then. And right now this is 2020, and she's come for a dental implant on one of her posteriors. All right, so the take-home message really is, when you plan jaw surgeries and when you do them precisely and perfectly, patients have no issues in the long run. This is not just the first patient. We weren't recording videos at that point in time when we were doing this more than almost 2 decades now. So really the implants are still inside. Can you have the x-ray? I want to show you the implants that are inside. I think you can visualize the implant. This was taken by her many years later, and this was in 2015 that she's taken, and you can see all the implants inside, and there are 6 screws in the lower jaw, 4, 6, 9, 13 screws in the upper jaw, and there are 4 plates upper and 1 long plate in the lower. All her teeth are in good shape, and just one that she needs implants now. Either okay, and so you can see this, yeah, I think so. These proportions can be altered, and all of these surgeries are done from inside the mouth. There's no scar, results are permanent, and the patient also has no issues with function. Many of my patients now keep asking about or whether they have issues with the implants, but this is to show that even if you keep implants for so long, and there's going to be no problems whatsoever.
This is the current CBCD of this patient. So it was done in 2014. This CBCD was taken yesterday. So it's completely healed. These are the plates.